Hello, today we're going to try and create a template in less than 5 minutes. We go templates, create template, and the template we're going to create is just a dummy contract agreement. We click on edit, open this. Notice there's space at the top and at the sides. That space relates to your margin settings. I'm going to bring my top and bottom margins in a little bit, so like so. Okay, I'm going to ignore the layouts for now. We'll cover those in a later video. For now we'll deal with these basic elements. You can just paste your text into this text editor and then do formatting in there as you wish. I prefer to use the different elements, so I'm going to start with a header. I'm just going to contract agreement. We'll come back and do some formatting shortly. Before we add data, let's add some variables to the template. So, gone to variables, pasted in the JSON that represents the variable data that we will want to be passed in, and then we can go back to the elements and continue building our template. The next thing is to add some text, and let's say and I'm going to use the variables drop down to find customer first name space customer last name. So these variables have been pre-filled based on what was dropped into the variables over there, just to make your editing a bit simpler. Okay, so I'm going to have that as a cover page. I'm going to use the page break to give us a second page, and on the second page I'm going to put the terms. Down there, paste the terms in. Now you may wish to break your content of your templates up differently. That's absolutely fine. I'm trying to show off some of the elements here more than anything really. And have a service schedule and then some text. I apparently can't copy and paste. Let me try that again. Better. Another header below here. How are we doing for time? We're 3.5 minutes in. I think we'll be okay. Okay, so I think we're good now. Let's go back and do some customization to elements. So center these. So select the element you wish to make changes to. Go to properties. In the tab here, I'm going to go to typography. Lots of options. Encourage you to have an investigate and play with these. And then center. I'm going to do the same on this one and on this one. So they're all centered. The rest of it's pasted in pretty okay. One thing I have missed is a page break, so let's drop that in there now. So I'll push that onto another page. These end of page content, they are more of a guide. You can move them as needed based on where your content actually falls. Useful for if images break your content in an unexpected place. But let's save that. We're at 4 minutes 44 preview. And then we've got first page with a break, onto second page, small margin at the top, third page, and finally the fourth page of payment schedule. So there's an example of quickly creating a template in TemplateTo.